Morning limo ni ka Joseph tanom ay. Kanitin na mo. Nasyay unsa ni avocado? Yeah, avocado. Nya nay orange. Come here, baby, come here. Look. Oh. Look. Anak, can you give me ako anak a plastic bag? Kasi I need to get the orange. No ba? I'll get orange, okay, to go home. While it's not dark yet. Come here, baby. Help Lola, come here. Help Lola to pick orange. Tingnan mo ang orange. Orange din eh, sa kaan.